Welcome back to samaartmedia. I hope that all are doing good. Bring out your hidden treasure of imagination in you as painting. Today we are going to see how to paint simple easy roses. Because of that, needing black canvas paper, and I am selecting the angle brushes size 10 and 6. I am choosing the acrylic colors are lemon yellow, vermilion hue, sap green, brilliant yellow green and titanium white. The first step, I am using white pencil to make the outline of roses. Then using titanium white to make the base of the flower first. Always wet the brush with sufficient of water. You can remove the excess of water with tissue paper or towel. Here I am choosing black canvas paper, but you can use white canvas paper, canvas board and canvas sheet for coloring. You can apply the black acrylic color on the white base of the anyone, and you can use handmade canvas as well. Already I uploaded the video on my YouTube channel how to make handmade canvas at home. You can use any one of these for your practicing. First, why I am using titanium white to the white base of the flowers to the black base, because it transparent to see while we are coloring. So I used the white base first, then I am painting. The beautiful rose painting is ready. Enjoy your painting with patience. Sometimes you may not achieve the picture what you want, but sure you can achieve the painting. Need keep on trying. I meet you in my next painting. Use your imagination to achieve the picture you want. I hope that you are enjoying the video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.